lost in the law, no grace found. But Jesus came, He set me free. Now I live in victory. Not by works, not by might, but by His love, by His light. No more burden, no more shame. Faith in Christ is what remains. Paul said, stand and don't look back. Don't let the chains pull you off track. We are sons, we are free, adopted by His mercy. No division, no more fear. One in Christ, He holds us near. Jew or Gentile, slave or free, grace is the only guarantee. So to the Spirit, walk in light, leave behind the endless fight. Love and kindness lead the way. Walk in truth, don't go astray. If we fall, we rise again, not by strength, but by His hand. Keep on running, don't grow weak. In due time, the harvest reaps. Oh, stand in freedom, grace is mine. Jesus broke the chains that tied. Not by law, but by His love. Faith alone is more than enough. If we fall, we rise again, not by strength, but by His hand. Keep on running, don't grow weak. In due time, the harvest reaps. Oh, I stand in freedom, grace is mine. Jesus broke the chains that tied. Not by law, but by His love. Faith alone is more than enough.
Down from his prison cell, spoke of redemption, truth to tell. He said, by grace you have been saved, not by deeds but by His name. We wear the armor, stand up tall. Faith and truth won't let us fall. His light shines bright, shows us the way. We are His people, come what may. We used to wander, lost and blind, but His great love we came to find. He raised us up, He made us new, children of God. Just walk in light. a soul, like Christ who died to make us whole. Children, honor, don't forget. God gives blessings, He won't quit. So take His word, don't be afraid. His love is strong, it never fades. If the darkness pulls you down, the Lord will always turn it around. Oh, put your trust in the good Lord's hand. He gives us love, He helps us stand. Ephesians tells us to stand our ground. In Christ our strength is always found.
Paul was shackled, locked up tight, but his heart was free, filled with light. He said, rejoice, don't be afraid. The Lord is near, His love won't fade. Don't look back, don't count the loss. Leave it all behind, pick up your cross. Press on forward, run that race. Grace is stronger than yesterday's chains. He said, be humble, just like Christ, who gave it all, laid down His life. He took the pain, bore our shame, so we could rise and bear His name. Don't be weary, stand up tall. In every trial, through it all. For He who started this work in you will see it through His word.